Okay, wow, 11:26 today. Yeah, that clock is wrong. Yeah, see?
New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, Kent, and Sussex. In New Jersey, Cape May. In Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey south to Chincoteague, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
All right, and now Wakefield's going at 11:33. Yay! All radios activated. Let's go. I can't activate the Midlands because it'll annoy my neighbors. The RWT scroll going?
Will be postponed until the next fair weather day.
Yeah!
You will be
Look, guys.
between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m.
RWT scroll.
The test will or will not be conducted.
Only this Midland can
This
activate
test is
because it's
conducted
display
to give
mode.
you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test.
And this is a test of the emergency alert system. And this concludes this test.
File attached.
Okay.
And this concludes this test.
Now Mel starting his second half to find his better half.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
And this concludes this test.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WABC TV serves the New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.